Welcome to Sacred Bounty, where soul meets body. Here we are in Ojibway National Park, Nature Center, and there is some serious life in the Nature Center. And these little guys, there's hundreds of them. These little, I don't know if they're butterfly, larva. Where'd he go? I lost him. There he is. I don't know if it's butterflies or moths or what. But I just found this incredible because they're everywhere. It's an explosion of life. Look at these little guys. They're just everywhere. It's like confetti. It's a celebration. It's a celebration of life. Look at them. Oops, mosquitoes are bad. And the birds are singing one heck of a tune. Oh, these two are gonna dance. Cute, eh? Thank you for watching Sacred Bounty. Bountiful blessings to you.